The Compound Semiconductor Cluster is a group of companies and academic institutions who undertake business and research activities related to the design and manufacturing of semiconductors. Successful clusters typically form around certain companies or universities and grow as a result of collaboration and cooperation around a common theme. They are a magnet for talented people who move there because they have multiple career opportunities in a given field. This in turn encourages both entrepreneurship and private investment into the region. CSconnected is an organization whose role is to support the growth of the Compound Semiconductor Cluster. We work on various initiatives to drive growth. These include developing local skills to support the need for new talent. We also help to develop the supply chain, maximizing value capture by having many local companies who deliver products and services to our core companies. We also work to communicate what the cluster does, to support inward investment, but also to help us secure co-funding to support collaborative R&D projects and investment in the infrastructure. It is important that local people understand both the employment opportunities and how the cluster brings wider economic benefits to the region. The cluster offers engaging jobs at all levels, and the typical salaries are twice the regional average for South Wales. The companies are highly productive and most of their output is exported worldwide. The industry requires skilled workers with strong expertise in science and engineering. Newport and South Wales in general has a deep heritage that goes back to the Industrial Revolution of technology development and manufacturing activities such as steelmaking. Semiconductors are a natural continuation of these traditions. Newport has the right mix of skilled people, but is also cost-effective compared to places like Japan or the USA. The global semiconductor market is currently around $700 billion and is forecast to grow to $1 trillion by 2030, depending on whose figures you take. This not only drives increases in production in companies such as Vishay and IQE, but it also increases demand for the precision machines made by KLA. In 2027, we will be hosting a global conference on a material called silicon carbide, which is a compound semiconductor that is essential for vehicle electrification and the transition to net zero. The conference will attract around 2,000 delegates, of which 60% will be from overseas. Newport is an ideal location, having the largest semiconductor fab in the UK, who will be working on silicon carbide. The wider region also contains leading academic institutions such as Swansea University, who have world-class expertise in what we call power electronics. Newport is well placed to further develop as a tech hub, having the right combination of skilled people, leading companies and academia. It also has excellent supporting infrastructure, including convenient transport links, utilities and data centres. At a local and regional level, there is a progressive government that actively partners with industry to support growth as part of the so-called triple helix model, where government, academia and industry collaborate to facilitate future growth.